Hello my fellow crocheters, this is Yana with Yana's Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Please, if you enjoy the videos, give me a thumbs up in the comments, like the video, share. It all really helps and I really do appreciate it. And today I thought we're going to do something a little different. So here's a tutorial for this very fun little cute Tunisian crochet stitch. So if you have a set of Tunisian crochet hooks, that's very helpful. But also if you want to do this pattern that's a little narrower, not as wide, you can just use a regular hook. That will work too. But anyways, I hope you enjoy it, and let me know in the comments what you would crochet with this stitch. What would you use it for? Enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start the same way you would start any regular crochet pattern, with the chain. So for this specific design, you have to chain multiples of 3 plus 2. So any number, multiples of 3 and plus 2. Once you have your chain completed, you're going to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, and then yarn over and pull up a loop. Then go into the next chain and repeat, inserting the hook, yarning over and pulling up a loop. And you're going to do that all the way to the end of your chain. So it kind of looks like just casting on for your knitting. There you go. So you have all the loops on your hook, and now we're going to yarn over and pull the yarn through 2 loops at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops all the way back to the beginning. And this is your row 1. And this is what it should look like after your first row. So for the second row, you're gonna yarn over just 1 time, and you're gonna find those little vertical lines, and you're gonna insert your hook in there, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and 1 more time. So you're going to do that only 3 times. You're going to have 5 loops on the hook. Your first loop is going to be kind of like a chain, and then you're going to grab the second loop and pull it over the 3 stitches. And now you're going to repeat that. So yarn over, pull up a loop, pull up another loop, and a third time. You should have 4 loops, not counting that first stitch. And again, you take the first out of the 4 loops, and you're going to pull it over the other 3, and then you're going to repeat that all the way to the end. So you start with always yarning over, pulling up the loop, then pull another loop, and the third time you have 4, and pull the first one over the remaining 3. And that's it. That's your pattern repeat for this row. Just keep doing the same thing. So this is what you should have now. And then at the end of the last row, you have to insert your hook right there behind those 2 loops at the end. Okay, so accidentally there, I went under the 3 loops, which you don't want to do that. So you go right under the 2 and pull up a loop. So now we're basically repeating row 1. So you yarn over and then pull the yarn, pull your hook through 2 loops at a time, all the way back to the beginning. So this what it should look like. And now you are just going to repeat your first row. So you're doing the same exact thing. Here a little tip. Try to keep your stitches nice and loose. So pull them out a little bit. Don't make them too tight, because the Tunisian crochet has a tendency to curl up. So the tighter you make it, the more it will curl. So just keep it nice and loose, or go with the hook that's a size bigger for whatever yarn you're using. So basically this pattern will be a repeat of the 2 rows, 1 and 2, and it's very easy as long as you can pull that stitch over. That was the only problem I was having. Remember to yarn over for your first loop, and then the next 2 you just insert the hook straight. And this is it. And then you can make it as wide or as long as you want to. But this is basically it for this Tunisian crochet pattern. I hope you guys enjoyed it. To me, it's really fun. It's a little different from regular crochet, but not too much harder. So thanks again for watching. Please like this video, comment, subscribe. I really do appreciate it.